Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of JavaScript. So today we are going to learn how to check if a string contain only digits in JavaScript. So this is the code that we are going to use in our video. So basically dot test function will tell you whether a string is a number or not. It will contain a digit or not, right? So let's copy and paste this in this level. You can see that. So here we are this function regular expression which will test whether a string is contain only a digits or a string over it, right? So here first one we are adding 1 to 3. That is we sure that this only digits that will return true. If it we add ABC, so here you can see that it will turn false because it's a string or it would contain the number of number letters, sorry, right? And in the last one you are thinking like there is a space and it will return true. No, space will considered as a string also, so that's the reason it is also false. So this will test the function whether a string contains a digit or a number. So you can test with the help of this method. Okay, so let me explain what exactly this up or down arrow and this slash meaning. So let me tell you. So this upper arrow and the anchor ensures the entire string is matched whenever you are just adding this two letters over here. So that means you are just checking the entire string to be matched, else not, right? So that's the reason we are adding over here. And the d digits we are just checking matches any string starts with or end with one or more digits, right? And ends with the one or more digits d and plus dollar. Okay, so this will give you the string whether it's to be a digit or a number with the help of the test function. So this is how you can check, right? So any doubt, any query in that, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.